Hello great people, I'm sharing this wonderful, easy but super tasty meat recipe with you. You're gonna love it. What I have here is my well-washed assorted meat. I'm adding salt into it. Add salt to your taste, and this combination of these ingredients will be using, my god, what I have there is oregano. Yes, you can use fresh one if you don't have this. I'll be using garlic powder, and I'll be using curry powder, rosemary, thyme. What I have there is coriander powder. I'll be using Cameroon pepper as well. This combo, my god, try these herbs. They are tasty. They're going to have super aroma and also healthy. So adding the seasoning into it as well. So after that, I'll be adding bay leaves into it now. What I have here are diced onion, diced garlic, fresh garlic, and ginger roots. Now add it into the well-washed and well-seasoned assorted meat. So it's now time to combine everything together. Shout out to Oni Bosse Rachel. Thank you so much for liking our recipe, and thank you for sharing our videos. God bless you. Remember to leave a comment. Let me know where you are watching me from. Thank you. So it's now time to cover it and bring it to boil. When it starts to boil in its own juice, you have to mix it again. Just use a spatula or a spoon. After mixing it well, it is now time to add some water into it. You can add cold water, you can add warm water, it doesn't matter at this stage. So now cover it and boil till done. Don't forget to be opening your pot and be stirring occasionally until the meat is done. Tra-la-la! Lovely, this meat is ready. It is now ready. Take a good look at it. The aroma I'm having here, my goodness. You need to be here to experience this. Those combination of those ingredients we used, it is super good. So when it is cooked enough to your taste, it's now time to take it out of the meat stock. That meat stock, keep it for jollof rice and anything you want to cook. Look at this meat. You can rock it this way. You can fry it in oil or in your air fryer or in your oven, or you just cook your stew or your soup with it just like this. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.